Senator Manny Pacquiao tested negative for COVID-19. This was the result of the PCR-based tests he took upon the advice of San Lazaro Hospital's head of Infectious Disease Department, Dr. Ron Gensolante. Pacquiao stressed he and his family are not carriers of COVID-19 as proven by the 2 tests he had undergone. Pacquiao had earlier tested negative for COVID-19 using the rapid test kit from South Korea. He took it after some officials of their barangay wrote him a letter ordering him and his family to stay home. This after he came in contact with Senator Coco Pimentel, who was seen at his house along with other politicians.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.